Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to fix OBS Choppy recording. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and open up your OBS by run as administrator. So guys, if you run it as administrator, mostly this can fix the issue. Now, another option guys is you could just simply go ahead and go for the file over here on the top on your OBS, and you just simply go for the settings. Now here on the settings, you could just simply go for the output tab, and here you could just simply go for the recording. And of course, since we are currently recording, I cannot change some settings, but if you do, just make sure to have the correct recording format. So I recommend going for the MPEG or MP4 file. And when it comes to video encoder guys, make sure to try different ones, because sometimes if you have the wrong video encoder, you will have the issue. And also guys, you could just simply go for the video tab over here and make sure you have the right resolution, or you could adjust it based on your preferences. But usually you could just simply copy these options over here, and mostly this can fix your issue. And pretty much that's all you have to do. Or to reduce the choppiness, just make sure you are not running any background application. So make sure to close out any application that you are no longer using, because this eats up data and this can cause the lag. So make sure to exit some apps. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.